This is a great little seed starter kit. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This seed starter kit has almost everything you need to get your seeds growing. You can use this for microgreens, you can start plants for your garden. With this kit, you're going to get a grow light, a heat mat, the seed tray, a humidity dome, and a grow light stand. What you do not get is the cell tray, so you will need one of those. This will work with a 72 cell tray, which I want to point out again is not actually included. Because of the light and the heat mat, your seeds are going to get constant heat and warmth, and it's going to help them to create really strong roots. We used this to start our outside garden plants. We live where it's pretty cold in the spring, so having a way to start our seedlings is really nice, and we want to do this in a nice, warm, humid environment, so when we do move them outside, it's going to give them the best chance at life. This kit is going to help you grow plants like a pro. I love everything about it, and our seeds sprouted so nicely in this. If you're looking for a great seed starter kit to get your grow on, we recommend this.